For me, success looks like enabling other people to achieve their dreams. We live this community every day, and we get to live out Penn State University's land grant mission in this very focused, knowledgeable, deeply embedded way. Like, we can bring the good of all of Penn State to this corner of the Commonwealth. I'm Radha Pyati, and I'm Chancellor and Dean at Penn State Berks. A problem in the region that Penn State Berks is working to solve is retaining college graduates in Berks County. Nick Price has helped us bring West Reading to life for our students. We engage with West Reading on a lot of their street festivals that really bring tens of thousands of people down to Penn Avenue, and we want our students to be witnessing that too. So it has really all grown out of not just student affairs and engagement in West Reading, which is his primary focus, but kind of what we're trying to do across the board and give us a sense of place that we need. We are actively graduating four-year degree holders in fields that the regional economy needs educated professionals in. We've got a lot to bring to the community in manufacturing. With our mill at Penn State Berks, we're pushing out into the future in terms of AI, in terms of robotics and automation. So it was really important that we be top of mind for the manufacturing community. Penn State Berks brings the assets of Penn State University to this community. We want people to understand that a globally known university has a vibrant, bi-directional going concern right here in the county. The people of Penn State Berks are deeply committed to making Berks County the best place it can be and developing solutions to issues that we all have. Issues related to workforce, community needs, modernizing industry. Those kinds of things lift up the whole region, and the people of Penn State Berks are committed to lifting up the entire region.